Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. This is the Complete Picture channel. We call it Complete Picture because we bring you the complete list of trades. That's the USP of this channel, that we wait for the complete data to be uploaded on their website, and we do a diff from yesterday's position, and then hence we are able to bring you things like truly biggest moves. We are able to bring you things like new companies and removed companies and weekly cuts of data and monthly summaries. So that's the USP, guys. There are many YouTubers who just go through the emails of ARK that ARK sends them, which is not a complete list of trades, and it says so on that email itself. They themselves say it, that this is not the complete list, but this is the channel that gives you the complete list of data, complete analysis. So that's why we're calling it the Complete Picture channel. And today is May 25th, and the highlights today are that they bought more DraftKings, BitCoin, Grayscale Bitcoin, and Woozy, among many more. And then 3 companies are completely removed today. So stay with me to find out what more companies they added, what companies they sold, what positions, shares they sold, and what are those 3 companies that are completely removed. Stay with me to find out more, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In our summary section, as you know, we keep an eye on high-level numbers, one of them being market value. And the market value is slightly up today, which is good. Anything up is good. I would take it. It's 0.1% up from yesterday. Yesterday, it was 42.1 billion. It still is 42.1 billion in here, it shows in the pop-up, but these are rounded values, guys. So that's why it is just rounding to that nearest decimal, but it is just 0.1% up. Now, in terms of total number of companies that they are invested in, they have reduced 3 companies compared to yesterday. Yesterday was 269, and now it's down to 266 companies. So stay with me to find out which ones, which those 3 companies are. We'll be revealing that in just a bit. Before that, let's go over the biggest moves. Not a lot of trading happened today, and what we have here is the threshold that we change on daily basis to make sure we make this consumable for the audience. So any company that had the shares increased by 0.5%. So the threshold is very low today. And the market value increase may or may not have happened, but it will show up. So that's the threshold on shares percentage, just 0.5% threshold, and no threshold on the market value today. So that we get this list. These are the companies that fit that criteria. This is their rank in 266 companies now. That are left. Dicerna is topping the charts with maximum number of shares added compared to yesterday. This is the new company that was added yesterday. So watch my yesterday's episode if you want to know more about this. Well, we can cover it here also quickly. Dicerna Pharmaceuticals ranked 223 at the tail end pretty much of in their portfolio, and they have 98,000 shares. So that's why you see just 2 data points in the information that pops up here. It's present at ARK Genomics, and just 2 data points for the trend because it was just added yesterday, and today they more than doubled it, 98,000 shares. That's very typical. When they add a new company, they keep adding it for next few days to develop a good position in it. So biggest in terms of shares, but shares count or percentage, but it doesn't mean biggest in terms of market value, right? So it's just $3 million difference that it made. Stock price slightly inching upward too. So the next one is Z Holdings Japan, Yahoo Japan, as many people know it. SoftBank and Yahoo's collaboration to create this company, Z Holdings Corp. 8% shares added there. 1 million shares made a difference of $6.7 million. Then you have Woozy, the smart glass company, with contracts from big names like Microsoft. It ranks 132 in ARK's portfolio. 7% extra shares bought, and then $3.8 million difference made there. Atlas Crest, which is air taxi SPAC, merging with what was the name of the company? I forget, but Archer. Yes, Archer Aviation is the company that it is merging with. Atlas Crest Investment, ACIC, ticker symbol present in 2 ETFs, RQ and ARKX. 4% more shares bought there, rank 140, making a difference of just 1.3 million there. Then you have JSC. I'll hover over all of these. More Bitcoin, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So legally, they are not allowed to directly invest in Bitcoin, so they invest in Grayscale Bitcoin. 164,000 shares there, but it is negative because the stock price the Bitcoin continues to go down. But they are very bullish on it and keep buying more and more. Twitter again popping up. It was there yesterday as well. 2% extra shares in hopes of Maybe they'll come up with a subscription model. Let's see when they do. And it is ranking 16 in their overall ETF. So very bullish on that. 12 million difference. So that's that. Then you have Blade Air Mobility, 1% share added. DraftKings, 1% share added, which is 103,000 shares. Even though it's 1%, it's 1% of what they already have, and hence it's such a big number, right? It ranks so high up in their ETFs too now, like 21 rank in their ETFs. So that's great. One Class A, 1%. Godsys, I don't know what that company is, but added more shares there. Repair Therapeutics, genomics company, added more shares there. Let's look at the negative ones quickly. Workhorse Group, they continue to remove that over time. Hardly anything left there. I won't be surprised if they completely remove it soon. See, they removed 84%, and what it means is just not even $0.1 million. So don't be surprised if it is completely removed tomorrow. So it's under 1,000 shares removed, which is 84%. Then you have Guidewire Software, again 55% removed. You have Garmin, 19% removed. Charles Schwab's, 18% removed. Guardant Health, 12% removed. JD, 11% removed. Huya, 7% removed. Pinduoduo Agriculture Company. Oh, that's surprising. They kept adding more and more shares, but now they are reducing for Pinduoduo. Hongan Online, reduced 5%. AeroVironment Inc., 4% removed. Autodesk. Yeheka, 4% removed. Autodesk, 2% removed. Raven, -1. Galileo Acquisition Corp, removed by 1%. Pluralism Therapeutics, -1%. Cyros, -1% too. Now let's sort this graph just to keep an eye on. We already went over all the companies, but let's sort it this way as well, just to see the biggest moves today. Twitter is the truly biggest move today, followed by DraftKings. But it could be a mix of shares bought and also stock price increase, right? So keep an eye on that as I hover over these. Twitter is truly biggest move. DraftKings, followed by Z Holdings, Woozy, Dicerna, Codex, Atlas Crest, Yeka. In the negative side, we have JD is the biggest negative move, followed by Pinduoduo, Charles Schwab. Grayscale BitCoin is negative, even though they bought more. It's negative because it went down. Bitcoin went down. Huya, Guardian, Z Hongan, AeroVironment, Garmin, negative there. Repair Therapeutics. So those are the biggest moves of today, guys. Let's move over to next one is overall portfolio. This is how overall portfolio looks right now. A mixed bag, just 0.1% up, so it's expected to be a mixed bag. Coinbase being most positive because the stock price is slightly ticking upward there, and JD.com be the reddest red in the overall portfolio. Tesla taking some beating as well. So let's do one more thing quickly. Let's remove all the thresholds and then truly sort the. Let's remove this threshold. Come on. Yeah, and then sort this market value. Whoa, look at that. Because of the stock price change, there could be much bigger moves as well. So Coinbase is really the biggest move, where the stock price inched upwards, whereas they trimmed the position just a little bit. Then you have Square because of stock price going up, Teladoc Health stock price going up, Tencent stock price going up. So a lot of green because of the stock price going up, guys. So that's those are the ones that we missed. Those are not the biggest moves, but biggest moves because of stock price. Let's also see on the negative side. Yeah, some of the ones that were missed was Tesla, just because the stock price, well, stock price is kind of same, but we did not catch it because our threshold was 0.5%, but the change was 0.2% in this case. Pinduoduo, Roku, Skills, also slightly removed. A lot of companies slightly removed today, and they do that from time to time because they have to. In order to balance the ETFs, in order to pay back some of the shareholders as well. Now let's take a look at new and removed companies. So without further ado, guys, they completely removed Virgin Galactic. It's all gone. Agora Inc., all gone. HubSpot Inc. So those are the three companies that are completely removed today. No new companies added. So that was your daily dose, guys. Please like and subscribe. The USP of the channel, please keep in mind, this is the only channel that provides you complete list of trades, biggest moves, new companies and removed companies, weekly cuts and monthly cuts. Nobody else is able to do that because we download data every day and do a diff from yesterday, and we have the complete list. We wait for the complete list. Emails that ARK sends out on daily basis to all the subscribers are not a complete list. They themselves say it on the email itself. So thanks for being a loyal viewer, and please like and subscribe, and tell to others as well to like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.